Want to learn how to defend yourself against tyrannical government? Fight back against local government bullies? Protect your rights in court? Protect your property and your privacy? Understand ballot proposals before the election? Access government meetings and documents? Hold officials accountable for violating their constitutional oath? Exercise the true power of we the people.
Hello, I'm constitutional attorney Catherine Henry. For more than 20 years, I've been fighting for the underdog. But since COVID began, I have focused all of my time and efforts on fighting specifically against tyranny and educating and empowering we the people. Our first 2 seasons of Restore Freedom Weekly have been once-weekly episodes of about an hour or so, featuring great interviews, legal know-how, constitutional conversations, and much more. But now in Season 3, we're shaking things up. We're releasing between 1 and 3 videos each week, but each totaling no more than 10 minutes. Once a month, we will do a longer live stream event. This time, you'll be able to call in live to participate in this great conversation on legal and constitutional topics. Want to make sure you don't miss out on one of our new 10-minute constitutional content videos? Sign up for our weekly newsletter at restorefreedomkh.com and you'll get one complete list with the title, description, and link of each of the videos shared that week. So, like, comment, and share each of these new 10-minute content series videos and call in the second Tuesday of each month at noon Eastern Standard Time to participate in our live constitutional discussion. And remember, together we can restore freedom.